Today I'm going to harvest some blackberries with you. It has been raining and we've had a cold front, so it's actually quite cool for early May. And I've noticed that if I don't come out here really soon and get these blackberries, that the squirrels or birds will get them. I saw squirrels on them yesterday. So even though it's wet and it's been raining and it's cold, it's time to do some harvesting. And they'll continue producing throughout May, and I'll keep harvesting. These are just absolutely gigantic. This is a variety called Prime Arc Freedom. It's a thornless blackberry designed by the University of Arkansas, and they just do great in our climate here in Texas. I'm already getting blackberry all over me, so that does not look pretty, but that's okay. Now, these would normally look quite a bit better, but as I said, a lot of them are half eaten. And I want to beat those squirrels to it. So if you have blackberries, please let me know what kind you have. And are they good? These are quite delicious, but they don't have a long shelf life. So sometimes I will freeze them for smoothies or other kinds of baked goods. But otherwise, I end up just eating most of them, I would say. Look at that. So this all started out as one little plant that I bought, and they do spread by roots under the ground. So if you don't want them to spread, be careful where you plant them, or you may not want to plant them at all. But when they pop up in other spots that I don't want them, I just pull them out. For example, right here is another one popping up. I don't want one here. So I pulled it out almost completely by the root, and you can make more plants for yourself that way if you'd like. Some of these that are half eaten, I guess I'll just leave them for the wildlife. They can have some. Yeah, so how is your gardening season going this year? It's been really a strange season here. We had such a hot early spring, and then we had so much rain in April and now into May. Quite unusual, along with quite a lot of cold fronts or cool fronts, making the temperatures pretty nice until it gets hot, and then it feels like a hot sauna because it is so unbelievably humid here. All right, see a few more. And you can see a lot of them are getting ready to be totally ripe, but this raspberry looking color is not ripe until they end up this dark purple. So many partially eaten ones. Lucky, lucky squirrels. All right, I guess that is all I'm going to pick for today. Look at these gigantic blackberries. delicious. All right, well, I hope you're enjoying gardening in your part of the world. Please leave a comment and let me know how it's going. And let me know if you're growing blackberries or if you'd like to. So I will see you on the next one.